This is Human Nature, which is a project which was initially a land art project. So I started 3 years ago. And 4 months ago I was approached by the company Perrier Jouet to collaborate with them and do an installation for the London Design Festival. Because they really liked the idea of celebrating contemporary glass and craft. So we collaborated and made this monumental piece, which I have behind me. Every cylinder is made by hand and is mouth blown. The aesthetic choice of the color is that I looked at every cylinder like the pixel, a color pixel.